Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Sabila Karenina, and today I will convey a few messages which I summarize in a speech on the dome of education manner. But before that, Honorable Miss Elsa Widyasari as lecturer in the speaking course. Okay, we're gonna talk about the importance of character education. Character or characteristic education is pretty important besides having a good education at normal things such as science, math. It's really important because what is the good thing when you have a good education but don't have a good character education? So, okay, moving on. There are two types of character education that all of you need to be aware of and try to stay away from them. The good way is like when your child does something wrong and you tell them in the good way, like telling them politely and not being mad at them. But this has the effect. The good effect is the child mental and body will be good and won't have a big problem at all. But the bad effect is the child will be naughty because he'll think that his or her mother won't be mad at them if they do something wrong, which is you don't want that to happen to them. Okay, the bad way is like when your child does something wrong and you are mad at them, like drastically, like someone want to murder other people, and then you mad at your child, and probably in the worst case of this kind of thing is punching their child in the face, which is it's not good. The good effect is it will make the child afraid of doing something bad again, and they will be in trauma and thinking that their parent will be mad at them again if they do the same thing again wrong. The bad effect is their mental or body will be terribly damaged because of their parent mad at them, and in the worst case they will be a psycho child, which you don't want that to happen to your child. So, the most efficient way to teach your children karate is the normal way. Okay, the normal way is like teaching them into the like want to keep the balance between the good and bad, so it will be steady instead of having too much good or bad. So, the normal way is like teaching them in a normal or steady, and you gotta read the mind of the child, like you gotta know the situation. So yeah, I think it will be good. Also, here is the effect if a child never get a character education. The one, they will be extremely naughty, which you don't want it to happen. Two, they will or can become a bully, and you don't want that happen because as you guys know, bully is not good for someone, because someone when become a bully will pretty much will be had in their neighbor or between their friends. Three, they will think everything they do is right and nothing is wrong, which is it's not good. The four, the last they will become insane. In the worst case, who the hell want their child to be insane? Tell me what the hell. And just for tip them to be rough or nice to your child, because it will be bad. And also Albert Einstein ever said, if you ever try to teach your goldfish try to climb a tree, then you'll be finding that fish stupid for the rest of your life. So sometimes it better to try understand the character of your child, because you can really change them 100%. You want that it's just his time you try to make a humanoid robot, which is not cool. I'm telling you, not freaking cool. That it's just the same you try to change what the god already created and already perfect, and you just change them. Okay, and I think that's all for my speech about education manner. I hope there is a positive message that can be taken from my speech. And I would like to apologize if there is something wrong with my word. That is all from me, Sabila Karenina, and thank you.